everyone, I want to show you the unboxing from today, and this is amazing Toiletry bag. Things that I like it is that TSA approved it, so you don't have to be worried if you take it with you to the airplane, because it's approved for them, so everything is going to be okay. When you put your luggage inside, of course, remember it cannot be more than 100 milliliters. So I like it because it's transparent as well, and you can see everything that you have inside. And I love as well because it comes with these stickers. Toiletry bag clear makeup bag case is TSA approved. The zipper pouch is made thick plastic Eco Friendly PVC, soft and studio fabric to see and get items quickly. The half of design handled with double Japanese YKK zipper for easy carrying. Perfect for storage case and clear travel bag for all your makeup stuff as well. Perfect size a travel clear makeup bag. Can carry and travel for airplane, carry, driving, holiday vacation. The small size is 7.5 with 4.5 with 4 inches. Resistant and easy to clean. In fact, I have a flight tomorrow and I don't want to bring like a big suitcase, so I'm going to bring a small backpack with me, and I'm going to put this one inside, and now I don't have to be worried I'm going to have a problem at the airport because of the liquids, because with this bag everything is going to be safe. Thank you.